The next government has an opportunity to ensure everyone has a good later life. But that's going to require the whole of government to work together. We believe with the right actions, the UK can become the best country to grow old in. And we've set out a 3-point action plan to make that happen. Firstly, age-friendly places, an age-friendly economy, and healthy ageing. Our first priority is age-friendly homes that support independence. We're calling on the government, firstly, to ensure that new homes are built that are adaptable and accessible. We're also asking government to make sure that enough funding is available to help people on low incomes to be able to adapt their homes to suit their needs as they age. Thirdly, we want to make sure that there's enough specialist housing that's suited specifically to the needs of older people. And finally, that they support local areas to plan for the future for the needs of an ageing population. Our second priority is strong communities where the contributions of people in later life are valued. We're calling on the government here to make sure that the talents, skills and knowledge of older people can be harnessed and that they are able to make contributions to their communities. Secondly, to invest in local infrastructure that's inclusive, be that transport or digital infrastructure. Our third priority is to create opportunities and provide support for people to work for longer. We're calling on the government to work with employers to ensure that they help people to stay in work, but also to help those people who fall out of work to return to work, and that may require tailored support. Secondly, we're calling on the government to put in place workers' rights for carers. And finally, we want to see more opportunities for people throughout their lives to carry on learning, and also particular opportunities for older workers to share their knowledge and experience, for example, by mentoring. Our fourth priority is to support people to plan and prepare for later life. So we're calling on the government, firstly, to protect the incomes of those people who rely heavily on the state pension. Secondly, to ensure people have access to trusted and independent information and advice to help them plan for later life. And thirdly, to look into how we can ensure that those who are self-employed also are able to save for their later life. Our fifth priority is to support people to stay healthy and active. We're calling on the government to put healthy ageing at the centre of their public health priorities. We are also wanting them to promote physical activity specifically to people in midlife and later life. And finally, to work with employers to ensure that older workers with health conditions are supported to manage those and to stay in work. Our sixth and final priority is that everyone should have access to the care and support they need in later life. We're calling on the government to develop a long-term sustainable funding solution for social care, and to make sure that everyone has access to high-quality care when they need it.